will be gone, but at least your discomfort will be reduced by at least 50%. Now, gusto ko po sana makita, Juby, magmula sa pagtayo dito, with your permission, ma'am, and this is for your copy, we would like to find out what happened after touching. So, I'd like to find out, i-video lang po natin ito for your copy. Dito muna po kayo magagaling, patatayin namin kayo, paano kayo tumayo, paano kayo lumakad, so that we can gauge what happened after.
May net ka?
Eric, please,
What?
paano yung video?
What? Yung wifi.
Okay. Okay, so now, pwede po kayong tumayo, ma'am. Okay, ma'am, sige. So, bakit natin ginawa ito? Para ma-gauge natin what are the changes after 3 minutes. Ma'am, I'd like to know your name.
I'm Fortuna Pangilon.
Okay, ano po ang ating health issues right now?
I had a stroke for 39 years. 39 years.
39 years stroke patient. And
I'm 76 years old.
76 years old.
Yeah.
And then, ano po ang gusto nyong ma-reduce natin ngayon? May pain kayo? May whatever? Saan po ang pain po ninyo ngayong area? Back pain? You cannot move very well. Obviously po, this one. Okay. Sige. Ang gagawin po natin, ma'am, gagawa po kayo ng movement, o kanina, gumawa na po kayo ng movement. I-gauge lang natin, if you are in pain right now, 10, the highest measurement, and 1 is the lowest measurement. How would you like to gauge the pain? In between those numbers. Gano'ng kasakit po, ma'am?
Sa back.
Mga 8. And dito po sa tuhod. Okay. 6. Okay, sige. O, na-establish na natin kung saan natin dapat ilagay ang patch po natin sa kanya. So, this time with the help of Judy, can you give us the water? Nandiyan na. Unang-una gagawin natin is painumin natin siya ng water. Ma'am, can you take this water? Ang water po ma'am nagaling doon at baba. Why water? Because you have to keep yourself hydrated. No, pag nag-patch po tayo, water is the best conductor, and at the same time, we have to keep ourselves hydrated, no, most especially with your patch. So, take water before patching, on or during or after patching. Now, the more water, mas lalong maganda. And then, maglalagay po tayo ng X39 at baba. Pakiyupo po kayo. Yupo nga po kayo. Papaila po ninyo kung mayroon kayong protruding bone. Is there a bone? Okay, and then, dyan sa bone po ninyo, parang may kanal ng konti, parang may lusot. Kasi kung wala po kayong nahipo dyan at nakapal ang inyong skin, medyo mataas ang cholesterol nyo. Tama? Okay, sige. Dyan natin ilalagay ang X39. Ilalagay natin dyan ang X39. That is already here. Okay, and then since it's pain si ma'am, ilalagay natin ang patch designed for the pain. Tingnan niyo ha, nagkaganon lang si ma'am. And look at the fingers. Can you do the close open? Kanan. Kanan. Yan. Okay. Okay? Don't worry, ma'am. Nandito kami. So, nilalagyan natin siya ng ice wave. Ang ice wave is designed for the severity of the pain. The brown is placed on the most painful area, and the white is placed temporarily here sa sternum. Why? Because we would like to reset first the stagnated meridian that falls out of balance and the energy that is stagnated on the meridian channel. The reason why sometimes masakit ang ulo natin simply because yung ating energy is stagnated, not only yung regulation niya, no, but also yung hindi na tama, no, na-out of balance na doon sa ating tissues and organs. And nakakatulong po itong ating mga patches na ito to reset. Now, since si ma'am ay may problema din sa kanyang tuhod, we will add, kasi yung tuhod niya, iniinda din niya, the vein. Yeah, sige lang, lagay mo lang dyan. Ang inilagay natin kay ma'am sa likod is a stem cell patch activator that activates her stem cell. Na andito yung patch natin for 12 hours to activate your stem cell. And then after 12 hours, patch it off so that there is a repair and regeneration of the cells. So 12 hours on and 12 hours off. Okay. Marami tayong patch na ilalagay because hindi biro ang 39 years ng sakripisyo ni ma'am. And for sure, may mga maintenance po kayo, ma'am?
Yes.
Yes, how many?
3.
3 maintenance. So talagang it's not really easy. Then, we would like to add the energy na meron si ma'am para matulungan po siya na malagyan natin tubig ng energy enhancer sa kalampakan on the kidney 1 area.
Meron na sa'yo ng SC36.
Export na lang. Miss Maylene, you have export 9.
Yan.
1 piece.
Kailangan natin yan.